So this is the primary contact approval panel. So from here you can see submissions that have already been approved, as well as new submissions that are pending approval. So as you can see, my demo submission is pending approval. If I click on the accession number, I can see this same summary page that the user saw before, and I can go through the data and verify that all of it makes sense. If there's a problem with the data, I can type a reason for rejecting the data in here, click reject, and that will send an email out to the user and ask them to resubmit. Or if the data looks good, I can check this box and click approve. And that should submit a job to actually load the data into the database. Now my data is loaded into the database. You might have noticed that right next to the names of each submission are these two little indicators. These indicators will show up for any submission that is approved and loaded into the reference database. The first will be either a lock or an unlock. The lock means that the metadata for this submission is stored on the database, whereas the unlock means that both the metadata and the raw reference data are stored in the database. And then the other indicator is this little share icon. The green one means that samples used in the submission can be requested or shared by other organizations within the GTTN network. And then the red indicator means that samples used in the submission cannot be requested or shared by other organizations within the network.